Now let's learn how to insert a drop down in Excel. So here I want to insert a drop down for the favorite color. So in order to do that, go to a separate sheet first of all. If not, you can do it in the same sheet also. You have to type what are the options which is going to come under that particular drop down. So let me type the options which is green and red and purple, then pink, orange. So these are 5 options that I am going to keep. Then I want to go to the drop down which I want to insert. I want to insert in the B1. Then here you can go to the data. So here from here you can go to data, then go to data validation. Then here you have to select the list. After you select the list, you have to select the source. Then once you click this particular arrow, it will allow you to select a source. So I'll go to the other sheet where I typed the options that I have. I selected it. Again you can click this particular arrow, then you can give OK. So once you hit OK, you can see over here you got the drop down. Now I am selecting the drop down. From the drop down I can select whatever the favorite color, green or red or purple or pink or whatever the color that you prefer, you can select it from the drop down. So this is how you can insert a drop down for particular cell. If you want to insert a drop down list for the entire column, what you should do is the same step. You have to select the entire column, then you can go to data validation, then here list, then click this particular arrow, select the options that you have, click this arrow, again press OK. Then you can see here you have the drop down. Again when you go to the next one also you have the drop down, again you go to the next one also you have the drop down. So this is how you can get a drop down for the entire column that you need.